Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ahmad Isar Zamzami. I will be assisting our paper 1 to description text. I background description text or in time of writing so include now as description is one English lesson to be mastered not only by the junior high school children but also be the high school kids, student and anyone who love the English language. Because after all, writing description material is necessary for the development of English language. Prof asked some of the rate of person has the ability to write description text. So well, the writing is very rare at the same time I see to understand. Three of we are able to master this lesson will we might later be great waiter in the future. Explain and explain of description text could help me friend who is or is still a long way to learn English. I formation of the problem number 1 understanding, number 2 purpose text description text, number 3 start text, number 4 graph description text, number 5 sample description text and explain this. B purpose we made test paper with the aim of making it easier to learn English and before it will be us and other.
My name is Alvia Nurhidayah, Group 4, Chapter 2, Discussion. A understanding. Before looking what is the definition of descriptive text as a whole, let us understand what is meant by the word descriptive itself. Descriptive is an adjective that if we mean in Indonesian mean that the descriptive or picture. If you were asked to describe an object, it means you have to describe the object in question both in the size, color, and so forth. According to Wikipedia, is a descriptive text. One kaidah data processing effort into something that can be expression clearly and precisely with the aim that can be understood by people who do not directly experience it for yourself. So, what is meant by descriptive text in all article or text that describe the properties inherent in something be humans, animal, plant, or inanimate object such as house, car, and so forth. B. Purpose descriptive text. Judging from the above understanding, then in fact we are able to understand what is the purpose of descriptive text. Another goal is to describe everything, be it human, animal, plant, or inanimate object with properties attached to it such as size, type, color, and so forth, so that the reader can figure out what something in out of the picture we convey even though the has had never seen. J. Structure text or generic structure. Descriptive text has inherent roles in writing, including in the structure or composition of which must be written in order. If you are prompted to create descriptive text, then make sure the structure is as follows. 1. Identification. This section in the first paragraph, the goal is to identify something to describe or depict. Explanation is say identification serves to introduce the reader about the object or something that we have described before we tell about its properties. The goal is not to get one of those readers we want to describe a card. For example, but the reader assumes much motor. Example, you are asked to describe the new car, then the context of its identification is my dad just bought a new car. This car is long a creative but only know my father but or means to be portrayed is my car, not the cars someone else. 2. Descriptive. The section in the second paragraph and so on contains the properties inherent in something that you already introduce to the reader in the first paragraph. Example, or continue or cuts above. This is my new car is the last sports from Toyota. Number pen only two, one for the drive and one for passenger as well as the door. And this car can be speed up to speed of 500 km per horse, almost equal to the speed for Fokker plane manifold.
D. Characteristic descriptive text. These characteristics are important for you to take into account when writing the descriptive text is not wrong. So make sure you use the following filters when using the genre will write descriptive text. Number 1. Using the simple present tense. Why use the simple present tense? This is because we will describe a fact or truth that is attached to something or someone. And one of the functions of the simple present is to illustrate a fact or truth. A fact, the sun is hot. Therefore, you should always use the first form of the verb or verb 1. Your example will illustrate the properties of your new car. The color of my car is black. It can run up to 500 km/h. Number 2, because of its function is to describe something by explaining its properties, then the text will be found many descriptive adjectives or adjective as handsome, beautiful, tall, small, big, or if the adjective is derived from the verb, then you will find additional verb in and tau. Example, great, greeting, smart people make something. Interesting, something interesting. Number 3, in the descriptive text, we will often find relating verb copula, which is as in characteristic number 1. In Indonesian is often interpreted as is, because the purpose or function descriptive text is to describe. Then definitely we will often find the word was is. His name is Andy. His name was Andy. His height is 160 cm. Height is 160 cm. A. Sample descriptive text and explanation. The National Monument. The National Monument or Monument Nasional is a 132 meters tower in the center of Merdeka Square, Central Jakarta. It symbolizes the fight for Indonesian independence. The monument consists of a 117.27 meter obelisk on a 45-meter square platform at a height of 17 meter. The towering monument symbolizes the philosophy of Lingga and Yoni. Lingga resembles rice pastel or alu, and Yoni resembles a mortar rice or lesung. Two important items in Indonesian agricultural tradition. The construction began in 1961 under the direction of President Sukarno, and the monument was opened to the public in 1975. It is topped by a flame covered with gold foil. The monument and museum is opened daily from 8 o'clock to 15 every day throughout the week. Except for the last Monday of the moon, the monument is closed. Prambanan Temple. Prambanan is the largest Hindu temple compound in Central Java in Indonesia, located approximately 18 km east of Yogyakarta. It is characterized by its tall and pointed architecture, typical of Hindu temple architecture, and by the 47-meter high central building inside a large complex of individual temples. It was built around X 850 CE by elders Rakai Pikatan, king of the second Mataram dynasty or Balitung Mahasambu during the Sanjaya dynasty, not long after its construction. The temple was abandoned and began to deteriorate. Reconstruction of the compound began in 1918. The main building was completed in around 1953. Chapter 3. Closing. A conclusion. Descriptive text is a text which says what a person or a thing is like. Its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. Structure descriptive text generic structure are: number 1, identification is the introduction in the form of a general overview of a topic. Number 2, description. This contains specific characteristic, possessed object, place, or people described. Characteristic descriptive text. Number 1, using the simple present tense. Number 2, using the verb attributes such as be, am, is, are. Number 3, just focus on one object. So many presentation from us. If there are more or less, we apologize and hopefully what we convey is useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.